Even my parents would figure out. Yeah, so it looks quite it's that natural.
We have Vishal with us. We are 10 months into his hair restoration, and he looks fantastic. And how do you find the change?
Yeah, like it's very amazing. I still remember like the Musk Clinic was referred to me by one of my friend. Like I had so many questions, like so he just told me, I still remember, he told me just go meet the doctor, all your questions will be answered. I still remember the first day we met, and you had said that like we do not like give you the treatment, we give you the experience. And yeah, remember that? Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. And like the experience has been amazing, and to you, like you doctor, all the staff, all the members, they are so nice. And like just look at the before and after pictures, you will know.
Okay.
Yeah, like
That's amazing. Okay, so we've done a hairline and dimple restoration for him. Also, we've done some at the vertex, and the results are fab. Yeah, he's into 10 months from the procedure, and this is going to still get better in the next 2 more months. So anyone else can figure out that you've got a procedure done.
no, like my wife knew that I am having this. Not even my parents would figure out. Yeah, so it looks like it's that natural.
That's natural. Yeah. And it's to your satisfaction.
So more than satisfactory. Yeah.
Yeah, I would not have promised you this result.
Yeah.
Because I always promise a little less.
Yes.
Because I don't know how the grafts are going to take up.
Yes.
That's how we do. We try to we don't like to overpromise our patients. We like to make you understand that this is medical science, right? 97% of the grafts that I put in should grow back, but there is a chance that some may not, right? But look at him. It's 5S. If you just zoom in, you can see how beautiful the hairline looks. It looks really nice and dense. You can see that all the irregularities that have been created out here and out here. Okay, that's giving the salt pepper look, which is giving more natural look to the result. You can see how good the density looks out here. And I wanted to have a look at the donor area. I think just turn around for me. Yes, sure. Look at that. Now this is the donor area. This is the area from where we have taken the grafts out, and this is close to around 3,000 grafts, and you can't figure out that anything has been done. Yeah. That's how the donor area looks. Can you just turn around to the left? Yeah. So even if you zoom in, you can't figure out that anything has been taken out from here, right? So it's undetectable. So I hope you like the change.
Yeah, I love it.
Hope you have a head full of hair.
Yeah, definitely. Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.